Hi everyone, today's I am going to reviewing best content consumption Apple iPad 6. The Apple iPad mini 6 is the best content consumption iPad on the market. It has a beautiful 8.3-inch liquid retina display with a thin bezel design, making it perfect for watching videos, reading books, and browsing the web. It's also incredibly lightweight and portable, so you can take it with you anywhere. Display: the iPad mini 6's display is one of its best features. It's a liquid retina display with a resolution of 2266 x 1488 pixels and a pixel density of 326 pi. This means that text and images are incredibly sharp and clear. The display also supports True Tone, which automatically adjusts the white balance of the display to match the ambient light around you. This makes for a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low light conditions. Performance: the iPad mini 6 is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, which is the same chip that's found in the iPhone 13 and iPad Pro. This makes the iPad mini 6 incredibly fast and responsive. You'll be able to easily multitask between apps, play even the most demanding games, and watch 4K video without any issues. Battery life: the iPad mini 6 has excellent battery life. You can easily get a full day of use out of it on a single charge. This is perfect for people who are constantly on the go. Camera: the iPad mini 6 has a 12MP rear camera and a 12MP front-facing camera. Both cameras are capable of taking great photos and videos. The rear camera can also shoot 4K video at 60 FPS. Overall, the Apple iPad mini 6 is the best content consumption iPad on the market. It has a beautiful display, excellent performance, long battery life, and great cameras. If you're looking for a portable and powerful iPad that's perfect for watching videos, reading books, and browsing the web, the iPad mini 6 is the perfect choice for you. Pros: beautiful liquid retina display, excellent performance thanks to the A15 Bionic chip, long battery life, great cameras, lightweight and portable. Cons: no headphone jack, expensive. Who should buy the iPad mini 6? The iPad mini 6 is perfect for people who want a portable and powerful iPad that's great for content consumption. It's also a good choice for people who want a secondary iPad to use around the house or on the go. Who should not buy the iPad mini 6? If you need an iPad for productivity tasks such as photo editing or video editing,